custom-made box. Too low profile to be pistons. Oh, tools. Yeah, good. Finally. All right. I know what this is. I'm not as happy as I could be, but it's good. It'll work. All right. Oh. Let's go over here to the other side. Got more room. Okay, we're gonna go over here to the head machine. Where's the camera over there? It should be over here. Okay, here's our head machine. So this is a dial bore gauge that I bought because I have yet to find all my tools for moving. So in order to do cylinder head work, I need some dial bore gauges. Okay, so 228, 22. No, those are the numbers, not the size. The problem is this stuff's all in metric. So this comes with the standards. So instead of being a Mitutoyo set, it's a diatest set, or diatest, whatever the name of it. Whatever the hell you say that is. So it's a different design, but very similar to what we're looking for on the Harley. And the valve guide. Okay, here's an Evo valve guide. It's 5/16 hole. Looks like the 27 is the one we're going to use for that. So I have no way of measuring my hole size when my tools are missing. So, this is dinky. I have to get used to working on this little dinky stuff. How's that supposed to work? Doesn't appear to work at all. Should be a plunger or something inside of that. We had no plunger, did we? Yeah, no plunger. Plunger's missing. So this kit's incomplete. The part that makes it work is what's missing. That means this kit's worthless. Fancy wrench. Up, up, up. What's that right there? Is that a plunger? Or is that a bore gauge? I'm thinking that's the plunger. Yep, there you go. Plunger, missing part. This is not made like mine, so it's different. Okay. Damn, I broke it. Or not. Ah, plunger came out. So it's just a dial indicator is all it is. Very slow reading dial indicator. Lazy. Not just because it's cold in here. I don't know what the hell this thing's supposed to do. Ah, that was pinch. Okay, get that down to where it's adjustable. Lock you down, lock you down. So now you take your check-in standard here. And you set it in. Now these are in metric though, I'm guessing. I don't deal in metric. Missing too. Damn it. My setting standards are missing too. Then these are extra ones here. I didn't think about the standards being missing. So this one's what size is this thing? $6mm. How am I going to do that? Metric again. This is miserable. So I still can't do what I need to do. So that means I got to put an indicator on here, measure it, set it to 0, and go off of that. Okay, let's see what happens. We put this in here. What happens? It's bottomed out. Drop it. That's always good for it. So I'm guessing this is too small, too big. How about this one? This is very inaccurate. My indicator goes at tenths. That's what I was using. This one here is, I don't know what the hell it's measuring. It sure the hell ain't measuring tenths. Keeps dropping too. I guess it's measuring in thousands. Yeah. I don't know. It isn't doing what I want it to do. Measuring holes. If I can't measure a damn hole, what good is it? It's not repeating at all, which is even worse than being not readable. It's not. It doesn't repeat. It's worthless to me. It keeps dropping. Something's moving. I got that pinched, so it shouldn't be moving. That's tight. It shouldn't be moving. See, it keeps moving. I'm not moving. The indicator's moving. I don't know what's going on with this damn thing. Looks like a waste of some money. Not very happy with that. Pretty sure it says 0.0001 on there. Should be tenth. Oh, there's a second dial over here. Look at that thing. What the hell's that dial read? I don't know. No, the big dial is the one that's accurate. The other one's not doing squat. It's barely moving. And this one's not accurate at all either. So I don't know. I have to figure this out. I don't like it. Waste a few $100 so far. Alright, I'll play with that later. Try to figure out how to use it. For now, it's garbage. Alright. I hate it when I can't find my missing tools, and these things have been missing for a year and a half now. So it's nothing like trying to buy stuff you already own. But that's about $2 grand worth of measurement devices I don't have. We'll see.